Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss environmental challenges and solutions. Here you can follow me. Today's quotation, and you can also use it in this answer also. So that started. Earth provides enough to satisfy everyone's needs, but not everyone's greed, said by Mahatma Gandhi. Our one-liner questions are natural and which reasons behind climate change. Paris Climate Agreement signed in which year? Full form of UNFCCC. According to IPCC, global climate will increase by 9.4 degree Fahrenheit by which year? IPCC is, you can give full form of it, burning fossil fuels, transportations and uses of appliances like fridge, AC, main cause for which emission? Our question is climate change is not anymore only an environmental problem. Comment. Also discuss challenges in tackling the problem of climate change across the world. Here two quotations for this answer. You can use any of them. It's like smoking cancer link, said by unknown. One thing leads to another. Deforestation leads to climate change, which leads to ecosystem losses, which negatively impact our livelihood. It is a vicious cycle, said by Giselle Bundchen. Change is long-term change in average weather patterns of local, regional, and global climate. Climate change is not only an environmental problem. According to IPCC, global temperature will increase by 9.4 degree Fahrenheit by 2100, which create devastating impact on flora and fauna. Agriculture negatively impact on animals, human life, and it was cause of migration because sea level is rise. Income gap increase, more impact on weaker section, economy, business, national income, and so on. Reason behind climate change. There are two main reasons. One anthropogenic and second one is natural. Anthropogenic are synthetic fertilizers and chemical deforestation, change in land use patterns, greenhouse gases, industries, unplanned urbanization. And natural are solar radiation, ocean currents, forest fire, volcanic eruptions, meteoroids, methane gas emission from plants. Challenges are mindset of some leaders and peoples. People work on personal interests like competition for profit, wasteful behavior in waste. Huge population need energy which comes from fossil fuels mostly. Modern living like fridge, AC and other appliances. Lack of conversation and coordination for these issues globally. Lack of proper policies and laws. Deforestation for settlement, agriculture and industries. Lack of awareness and funding. Plastic pollution. Single-use plastic is banned but is still not implemented properly. Initiative taken by IPCC, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, Montreal Protocol, COP25, Rio de Janeiro Summit 1992. Steps need to be taken. Nature-based solution. Afforestation, organic farming, reduce wastage of water, use biodegradable products. Use these methods to cure our environment. Use and promote clean energy. Use natural resources like sunlight, wind, CNG, rain, tides, waves, geothermal heat to produce solar energy, hydro energy, nuclear energy, wind energy, and use bicycle and electric transportation. Change mindset and inspire them. Increase conversation. Global leaders, celebrities, religious leaders can play a role to inspire others. Use movies like short films, media like Avatar, Kadvi Hawa, The Day After Tomorrow, I Am Greta, and also provide awards and recognize to inspire others like Hyderabad is now have tree city tag. Carbon sequestration. Use this method to reduce carbon and also use carbon credit, carbon tax. Our conclusion would be climate change is serious threat to our existence on earth. We, the world, need to collaborate together and need to build sustainable cities, environment, health and agriculture, focus on renewable energies, need to protect water, forest and most important reduce greenhouse gases emission and wasteful behavior need to be changed. Without that we cannot resolve this issue. World need to collaborate because 1% of the global population is emitting more than 2 times of bottom 50% according to World Bank. We need to complete our targets to control climate change like Japan, India, China, European Union and so many others set their targets. With that, we can also achieve Sustainable Development Goal 13, which is climate action. Always use Sustainable Development Goals. It will increase your expression. It will increase your impression on examiner. Answers of one-line question. Natural and anthropogenic reasons behind climate change. Paris Agreement signed in 2015. UNFCCC full form is United Nations Framework on Convention on Climate Change. According to IPCC, global climate temperature increased by 9.4 degree Fahrenheit by 2100. IPCC is Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Burning fossil fuels, transportation and use appliances main cause of CO2 emission. This is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also provide your suggestions to improve in the comment section. I love to see them. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.